also like to welcome on stage Mr. Raj Naik. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a warm round of applause for all our dignitaries on stage. As we get set, I'd like to invite Ms. Munira Chudaswa, the First Lady of Giants International, on stage. I'm sorry, I didn't realize she wasn't already on stage. Thank you for that.
फोन नहीं दे रहा है 50 पर 48 वहाँ पर उसका टेम्परेचर लग जाता है.
And we also have Mr. Nuruddin Sewala, Chairman, Giants Day Celebration and Awards Function, and Deputy Chairperson, Giants International. Thank you to all our deputies, ladies and gentlemen. We shall now invoke the blessing of the Almighty on all of us present here on our function and on the wonderful work Giants International is doing while standing up as the Giants International prayer is rendered. May I request all of you to kindly rise for the Giants International prayer. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Do take your seats. To welcome you formally to this wonderful evening, I'd like to invite a person who's dynamic, selfless and dedicated, Deputy World Chairman and Chairman, Giants Day Celebrations. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Nuruddin Sewala.
वो स्टील फोटोग्राफर को बुलाना पड़ेगा.
Thank you, Hugo.
वो ज़्यादा बीच में खड़ा हो रहा है, उसको बुलाना पड़ेगा. जो बैग लगाया ना.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our mentor, philosopher, guide, respected Padma Shri Nana Chudasama, World Chairman, graceful First Lady Munira ji, esteemed Chief Guest, young and dynamic Sri Prakash ji, Honorable Minister for Human Resource and Development, charming and ever active, our World Chairperson Saida MC, and her husband Manish, all our distinguished awardees, our Goodwill Charitable Trust trustees Sudesh and Sunil, we welcome Gurmeet Singh ji, Ram Rahim ji, Insan.
बाबा राम
Our Vice Chairperson, Nani Krupani, Sarmishta and Lalita ji, our ever supportive Federation President Zakir Kapasi, T.D. Thomas, Jivraj Nagaria, our former awardees, dignitaries in the audience, consul generals, invited guests, and my Giants family members. On behalf of Giants fraternity, Narayan Sama Saina NC, it is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on our 44th Giants Day celebration and awards function. September is a very auspicious month, wherein we showcase true national integration by celebrating Paryushan, Hajj, Onam festival, Mount Mary festival, Eid ul-Adha, Ganpati Visarjan, and all this with peace and harmony. Also in September, Giants Day and Service Week are celebrated by we Giants uplifting the poor and the downtrodden and helping the needy. This time we have Mr. Naresh Parekh and all the Federation Vice President in charge of various federations who are celebrating Giants Week and motivating the groups to do more and more projects for the society. This month we also witnessed the declaration of Mother Teresa as Saint Mother Teresa. And we Giants take great pride as she was one of our former awardees. I would like to pay tribute to her in her own words. Spread love wherever you go. Let no one ever leave you without being happier than before. Friends, this year we are happy to have 12 distinguished personalities for the Giants Awards. Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, sir, your father has been a recipient of our Giants Award in medicine. And today is his birthday. Congratulations to you, sir. And you will be carrying his legacy forward by accepting our award as a successful businessman and industrialist. Congratulations to you, sir. I take this opportunity to wish you success for your Priyadashmi Awards, which is few days from now. Rana Kapoor ji, Chairman Managing Director of Yes Bank, he is one man who will never say no when you go for loan, and that is why the company is called Yes Bank. Same Dr. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh ji, Insan. He is an institution by himself like Giants, serves thousands of people every year in 123 spheres of social work. We are grateful that we have people like you on this earth to serve the mankind. We have Rana Kapoor ji has just come. Deepak Chaurasa ji, sir, हमेशा दीपक जी आप हमेशा फेयर डिबेट करते हैं और पैनलिस्ट को भी बोलने का वक्त देते हैं, तो यही तो ब्यूटी है दीपक जी की, इतने फेवरेट है सब लोग के। Raj Nayak from Colors gives us the best entertainment and reality shows. विजय चंदा जी लोकमत से लोगों की सेवा करते हैं। We welcome you, Rishi Kapoor ji.
आज आज भी मारे
Rishi Kapoor ji has just celebrated your 63rd birthday. And are popularly known in the 90s, Rishi Rich. Your skillful portrayal of roles from 16 to 60 years make audiences love you, especially the ladies. So today also you are as charming as you were in Bobby.
चला रहा किसी भी करके एडिट कर लो।
Sir, I was just going through that, the recipients of the Giants Award, they receive many folds in the near future. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was one. Sri Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat when he was the chief guest at our Mumbai convention. And he is now the Prime Minister of India, and today is his birthday also. So happy birthday to our Prime Minister Sriman Narendra Modi ji. Fortunately, it falls on the 17th September on our Founders Day. और प्रकाश जी जो यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनते हैं। So we hope that you still move forward. But our only request is we pray for your success while you do selfless service for our country. We have numerous such examples which you can glance through in the award manual that we have already circulated. With Nana's blessing and guidance, we carry out various projects to serve humanity. Nana believes that the hands that help are far greater than the hands that pray. And that is what we Giants are doing. On Nana's birthday, approximately 25,000 trees were planted, 1,000 and more blood units were collected by various groups pan-India as a gift to Nana on his birthday. Organ donation is a national project, and in December last year, Saina Madam initiated the first ever interstate transplant between Mumbai and Surat. You see, the two states were not ready to do that also, but it was because of Saina when she was in Ahmedabad that we could do between Maharashtra and Gujarat. So hats off to Saina for always doing good work for the mankind. Recently, Saina NC and Giants members had participated in huge numbers in the organ donation awareness walkathon initiated by government of Maharashtra.
Print. Camera.
May I request Mr. Shah to come into the stage, Mr. Nana Chudasama. And may I request Lalita Vasan to come into the stage, Shaya NC.
गोविंद आगे के बोल जाना जरा समझा ना सोता है ये ना उस वाले शूट वाले के अंदर चल रहे आराम से राजू
Ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful evening has been made so by the generous presence and every support of some very special individuals.
हमको भी जाना पड़ेगा आगे हो गया
I'd like to invite on the stage Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, Managing Director, Bright Advertising from the state. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Devendra Bharma receiving a potted plant. The tribes and the Oberoi Group have been our hosts for every one of our award ceremonies.
Still photographers.
We have Mr. Yogesh Lakhani,
आराम से नीचे रखो कैमरा पीछे भी
Bright Advertising Publicity. They've been our partners for the last 14 years. Thank you very much to Yogesh Lakhani. From Fortune Lifeline, could we have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan? From Fortune Lifeline, could we please have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan? And from Sigma Advertising, could we please have on stage Mr. Fahim?
दीपिका नहीं आ रही है दीपिका नहीं आ रही है वो भी बात हुई आउट ऑफ कंट्री क्या बोली दीपिका कल आई आउट ऑफ कंट्री
Thank you, Sri Javadekar, for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd also like to recognize the presence of several eminent personalities. We'll begin with all our former award winners. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to put your hands together and welcome our award winner, Ms. Deepika Padukone.
अरे ये फोटो चाइना वाले नीचे फ्लैश निकाल.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you get a lot of opportunities to take photographs. Don't worry. We'd like to recognize the presence of many celebrities, most of them former award winners. Mr. Khalid Ansari, Ms. Farzana Contractor, Dr. Kiran Shantaram, Dr. Behramji, Dr. Zahid Qazi.
ये कैमरा है फुट का.
Ms. Manju Nichani, the Giants International. Thank you, Balaji. Ladies and gentlemen, very short and sweet, but Balaji is a man of action rather than words, so thank you very much for your blessings. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce and present the Giants International Awards 2016 for outstanding accomplishment in various fields. Ladies and gentlemen, each of our 12 recipients is not just an achiever, but a super achiever of great reputation and merit, with an exhaustive list of accomplishments. A detailed profile of each is given in the award souvenir. However, since time is at a premium, I've been told to keep each introduction to within a minute, and I shall attempt to do the impossible. May I request each recipient to kindly remain seated till I finish the introduction before receiving the award and then very briefly sharing their thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, our first award winner is the third, the Giants International Award for Planning and Finance. He is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Yes Bank. Before that, he had key positions at Investment Bank and Bank of America, leading the standard leadership on both organizations. He is the immediate past president of ASOCAN, has been associated with Indian Banks Association, the Government Creditors Board of Trade, the Finance Group, Finley and several others. And that is not enough. Yes Bank and he, as an individual, have been the recipients of an astounding over 14 awards at the last count for institutional and professional excellence across various spheres.
सर यहाँ पे सर ऊपर मोबाइल कौन यार मोबाइल क्यों क्यों और आगे पीछे क्या हुआ नहीं ले सकते.
Thank you very much. I'm absolutely, my name is Rana Kapoor. I'm very happy to receive this very prestigious recognition from none other than the Honorable Nana Chudlana, Chairman Emeritus of Giants International, a giant himself. Truly a giant himself. A person who has really committed his life to the city of Mumbai, to the state of Maharashtra. Actually, the team which is working with them. Particularly, I'd like to acknowledge and say my respect. I'm happy everybody's settling down. My recognition is, in a way, reflective of the city of Mumbai when I came as an immigrant in 1980. And I'm very delighted I built a beautiful bank called Yes Bank. And this award on banking and finance is a reflection of many brave hearts and many daring leaders and many focused enterprises that we have built as an institution called Yes Bank. Yes Bank is the reflection of Mumbai. It's not giant yet. It has the capacity to become a giant in Indian banking. I'm very happy to accept this award. I'm very delighted to be in your august company.
Award 2016 for Banking and Finance. The Giants International Award for outstanding contribution to the field of media and entertainment is conferred on a person who is the Chief Executive Officer of Colours and Rishte at Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. He began his career with Tata Economic Consultancy Services before joining the Star TV Group in 1993 as Executive Vice President, Sales and Marketing. He then joined and helped set up NDTV Media United Limited as Chief Executive Officer and Minority Stakeholder before launching his own independent venture, ADM Ventures Private Limited. He made his transition to Colours and launched Rishte soon after. He was recently appointed Chief Executive Officer and Business Head for Viacom's 18's newly launched 24-hour Hindi movie channel, Rishte Cineplex. He is the President of the Advertising Club and on the boards of several professional bodies. A complete people's person whose passion